So for this mirror therapy exercise, your stroke survivor is going to be practicing bending the fingers inwards and straightening the fingers outwards. So flexing the fingers when we bend them in and extending the fingers when we bend them out. So what's most important here with this exercise is that you explain to your stroke survivor that throughout the exercise, they must focus on the reflection of their non-affected fingers and hand at all times. To benefit fully from the mirror therapy effect, they must start to visualize the image of their non-affected hand and fingers and wrist as though it was their affected side. So just start by asking them to bend the fingers fully into a fist and hold for 3 seconds. So 1001, 1002, 1003, and then straighten the fingers fully or extend them, including the thumb, for 1001, 1002, 1003. Ask them to repeat this again. Bend the fingers, make a fist, 1001, 1002, 1003, and then straighten the fingers, 1001, 1002, 1003. Then for some of the repetitions, ask them to hold the hand so that the thumb is facing upwards and bend and make a fist with the fingers for 1001, 1002, 1003, and straighten out the fingers, lifting the thumb backwards, 1001, 1002, 1003, and then finally repeat, fist, bending the fingers, 1001, 1002, 1003, straightening the fingers, 1001, 1002, 1003. And your stroke survivor will repeat these exercises for a number of sets as is being prescribed in their program.